Alright, so looking at my trades now, I'm up 245 so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and close some of these. Just to kind of secure some profit. So basically the way we look at this is, how does trading work? Minimize it. Basically, if I place a buy, like it's doing right now, I just entered that, it will put me in a zone of profit. If it goes negative, like right now, it's before that line. It's literally before it. It leaves me in a zone that's a bit negative. So I'm like 34, 31 cents until it clears that zone. No big deal, but overall, you see right here, I have a sale going, multiple sales for this pair, US dollar versus the yen. So because it passed this line, this long candlestick passed these lines over here that are selling, it puts me at a zone of profit. So you see UJ, 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 and these are the same trades that I'm in. And then you have the Euro USD. This right here is in a buy and it's rising. Basically, like I said, you enter the trade if you believe it's going to buy, and it passed that buy zone, it puts me in a zone of profit, which is what we're here to make. It's not to say that trading is easy at all. By far, it's not. There's plenty that you need to learn. It's definitely a skill, so you can't just jump into it blind thinking that you're going to get rich quick. It's not a get rich quick scheme, so don't jump in expecting not to, well, just expecting to make easy money. I had to go through a mentor. I bought books and stuff like that. I've done my own research. I've studied this stuff for years, so I have an understanding of how this actually works. So until you build that understanding yourself, it's going to take you some time to actually make some real profit. So what is Forex exactly? It is a currency exchange market. So US dollar currency, their euro, euros versus US dollar. Whoops. Actually, there's more to just that. Australian dollar versus US dollar. Euro versus US dollar. The pound versus US dollar. New Zealand versus US dollar. Different types of currencies that fluctuate daily, by the minute, every 5 minutes, every hour, every day. They're constantly fluctuating, and you don't even know it. You can monitor it on your phone. See it yourself. I am on a 5-minute time frame. I'm on a minute time frame now. You can see where it's fluctuating at this point. So the purpose really is alright, so when you're joining Forex, overall, yes, our purpose is to make a lot of cash. So people want to make millions, but you're not gonna make millions your first day. As like I said, you gotta go through a lot of training. You gotta be willing to actually build your skill, and it's gonna take some time. But at the same time, you gotta be smart about it. You gotta understand the risk associated with trading. So just as well as you can make a lot of money, you can lose a lot of money. And that comes with not knowing what the hell you're doing. So get a mentor, do your own research, build the skills, practice a bit before you actually jump into this thing. But yeah, overall, it's just the currency exchange market. You can trade this just like stocks, except stocks are going to be generally much slower. Cryptocurrencies you can trade as well. You can do like Bitcoin, other things like that. So you have options, even gold. There is a lot of money to be made with here, but best example to really say is to try it yourself. You can try it. You can use a practice account. You can try just download the app MetaTrader 4 and just see how you like it. But if you have any questions about trading, feel free to ask. Feel free to comment below.